Okay, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi njengamanje sizosuka la kwi-first angle orthographic projection ebese siya kwi-isometric drawing. Alright, from the beginning, ekuqaleni sisuke la saya kuma-orthographic projection. So right now sizosuka la kuma-orthographic projection ebese siya kwi-isometric drawing. Okay, ama-steps abalulekile ethu if sidwebe isometric drawing is to begin with our isometric box. Okay, let's fake iphepha lesibona. Is to begin with our isometric box. Okay, so lesibuka kule sifake iphepha lethu senze sure ukuthi li straight liyaqonda. Sifake iphepha lethu sesilifakile. Na i-drawing esobe sibuka kuyo. I-front view yethu, i-top view, i-side view yethu. Okay, le distance leyo kusuka la iza la it's 100, then isuka la iza la it's 70, then ukuphakama kwayo lona yethu it's 70 again. So let us begin with drawing our isometric box. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna draw a horizontal construction line. You are the only one who's supposed to see that line. Okay, you are the only one who's supposed to see that construction line. So then we're gonna be using our 60 degrees set square. Only our 60 degrees set square, 60 or 30. Okay, gonna be using the 30 angle. Okay, then here I have a vertical line, a vertical construction line, and then again I put my 30 degrees angle like this. I draw a line of this nature. I think okay, then again I draw a line of this nature. Okay, these lines are construction lines. Okay, so our front view is gonna be the view which front view, then la side view. Okay, then let distance from front view le 100. So I'm gonna measure. What's wrong with my camera? Wait. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with my camera. Don't know what's